On this episode of How It's Made, custom trim metal for your steel projects. 21-foot hydraulic brake by Variobend. Has an automatic shear that shears it, has depth settings in there. It's pretty much foolproof. All you gotta do is hit the button and maybe twist or turn a piece of metal. It's a sweet piece of machine. Check it out. So I'll take you back here. They're gonna send out the lengths to do the trim pieces across the top. So they're just shooting down the top. Nothing is being bent on it at all.
This is the high-speed version too. It's great.
Nice. So that'll cut all your lengths down that they need and then start bending them up. Once they've sheared the pieces, then they fold them in, and since it's a single bend, they're going to have to actually take some steps to flip it and twist it around, but they're following a computer screen that they've pre-programmed. They'll tell you which way to flip, twist, and bend, and it does the angle itself for them. There's also some stops in there that actually stop the metal where it needs to be, so let's go ahead and run this piece. So just hemmed it over. You ever wonder what it's like to have a wrap done on your material going out to a delivery? Well, I got a surprise for you. We're gonna ride it through the machine. A good old faithful camera. Keep your hands and feet in the ride at all times. Let's go do this. United Steel Supply, pretty much a neighbor to us down in southern Indiana. We like to support the local economy. Thank you for supporting us and Wagler Steel Sales.